Subscribe the Technical Brit channel and click the bell icon for new technical videos. Hello guys, so watching Technical Brit channel. In this video, I'm gonna do unbox this phone. So let's get started. So guys, we are unboxing this Itel phone which has smart selfie camera. It is a old model phone. It is button phone. Okay, we'll check its what's outside of the phone. It has 6.1 centimeter display and 1900 mAh battery. 1900 mAh battery with super battery mode, front camera with flash, wireless FM and Bluetooth, rear camera with flash, auto call, recording, 1000 phone book, SGRP, oh internet support, wow, 50 messages, English and Hindi language support, expandable memory up to 32 GB, wow, it's powered by Java. Okay, we have seen model is 85231. You can buy this phone. I kept this link in description. So we will unbox this phone. Okay. King voice. Okay, we will unbox this phone. It is just a 2465. I will unbox this phone. I'm opening this seal. Very hard. We got this Itel mobile. I'll keep this aside and see what's inside this box. Oh, we have a portable charger. Its output is 5.0 Hz. Can see this. Made in China. And we have headphone jack, which is also Itel. Okay, we'll keep aside. So let's check this phone. And they gave a manual guide for us. It's a warranty card, Itel warranty card. Committed 100 days swap warranty. So you'll get 2 month 10 days warranty, 3 month 10 days warranty. Okay. Quick start guide, user guide, manual guide. So we will start using this phone. We'll check this phone. It's Itel, which has good background, good camera, good look. Itel. We'll check this phone.
I will power
I'll
on.
power on this phone. Okay, I have power on this phone. I'll click on. This menu button. There are camera, Facebook, music, Java, games, King voice. Oh, I think it works. We'll check after seeing this camera. Okay, we'll check this camera. It's a back camera. We'll switch to front camera. Oh my goodness! We are seeing this camera. Okay, I'll take some photos. I took one photo. Wow, its selfie is nice. Nowadays we are getting button phones with nice selfie. Okay, we'll check the king voice, which is given as in box. Okay, we'll check this. I'll try to make this. I went to engine setting and I click it on. Okay. Done. Okay, oh my god. It's like Google saying that engine setting. So somebody can't see, so they can listen this apps and everything. Okay, we'll test this. King voice again. Oh my god, it's nice. It's useful for the blind members who are using phones. And we'll check some musics. I will play this. Rockman music. It sounds great. It sounds great. So thanks for watching my video. You can buy this phone in the description. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Technical.